Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Equifax can remove a hard inquiry from your credit report. Experian. A hard inquiry happens when a financial institution checks your credit report because you applied for a loan or credit card. This type of inquiry can impact your credit score and typically stays on your Equifax credit report for up to 2 years, though its impact usually diminishes after the first year. Experian +1. When it comes to removing a hard inquiry, the short answer is that Equifax cannot remove a legitimate hard inquiry that you authorized. If you applied for a credit card, auto loan, or mortgage and the lender pulled your credit file legally, that inquiry must remain on your report for the full duration until it ages off naturally. Credit repair companies that promise to scrub legitimate hard inquiries for a fee are often misleading consumers, as accurate entries cannot be legally deleted on demand. Experian +1. However, the rule changes completely if the hard inquiry is unauthorized or fraudulent. If you notice an unfamiliar hard inquiry on your Equifax report, it could be a sign of identity theft or reporting error. Under federal law, you have the absolute right to dispute any inaccurate or fraudulent information. Experian. To handle an unauthorized inquiry, your first step should be contacting the specific company or lender that pulled your credit. Ask them to verify the origin of the inquiry and request that they voluntarily delete it if it was made in error. If the creditor does not cooperate, you can file a formal dispute directly with Equifax through their online dispute center, by phone, or via mail. Provide any supporting details or documentation showing that you never authorized that credit check. Experian. Equifax is legally required to investigate your dispute, usually within 30 days. If the investigation confirms that the inquiry was unauthorized, fraudulent, or the result of a system error, Equifax must remove it from your credit report. Experian. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.